January lang kami nagkuhan. 2025. January 25, 2025 kami naging kami. Nag-propose lang lagi siya.
Gave a new name, source to nurture the world. Ready.
So bali, nagustuhan ko pa yung bride. So, ano bla kasi sira nga klase bayi. Gag sa 5 ko nga gin proposan nga bayi, siya lang gin nag-uo.
From the moment you started communicating with me through Facebook dating app, by the way, thanks to Ma'am Cherry for introducing this to me. I was hesitant at first to reply, but then again, my instinct kicked in, and I replied for a simple hello.
Who can't be contained.
Dapat kabalo na kami magintindihan ng isa, magpamati sa side namon pareho. Kaya dapat wala pride nga ano. Ay tungod kay tita, kay tito. Pero may mga migasimba mo. Bali daw sila, na-guide nila kami baka mga insakto namon ngay mag-asawa na sila daan. Bali sila ang amon nga ano, gina-idolize bala.
Due to my past traumas, I was so scared since I was not fully healed at that time. But I got so impressed when you continue pursuing me. I joked with my friends and people around me. If they asked, "Ikaw ya saan o kay na mamana?" And I just replied, "Nag-order na ko sa Lazada kag Shopee, coming na di."
Ginapangako ko man sa imo nga hasta sa uri maging faithful sa imo. Kag langga, I love you so much.
I never thought that my 2025 is a big blast of surprise. My year started hurtful at first, but God immediately healed my heart. I've learned that 5 heartaches or broken-hearted ako for 5 times na was a lesson and a preparation for you, Langga.
Mga nagbabagang balita, tinadhana ngayon. Ito na po iyon, ikay kumbidado sa pag-isang dibdib ni na Roper at Joyce. Mga nagbabagang balita. Ano bala ang nagbabagang balita kay Roper at Joyce?
From this day forward, I choose you always, wala sang pagduwa-duwa, and for eternity. I love you, my best friend, my lover, my twin flame, my soulmate, my husband.